Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up PayPal payment gateway in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have already the payment gateway that should be added into your WooCommerce store. And to check that, you will need just to go to settings, and from there, you will need to go to payments. After that, you will need to make sure that you have PayPal that has been added to your payment gateways. So if you don't have it, you can simply go to the extensions, and from there, you will need just to type PayPal. So I'm just going to type PayPal. Uh, Let's go for PayPal. And then in the extension, we will have PayPal Payments Gateway. So as you can see, we can have these PayPal payments and you will need to add it to your WooCommerce. Then we go to settings and after that, we can start setting up the payments method. So I'm just going back to the payments and from there, you will find PayPal. You will need to enable it so you can receive the payments or have it added into your store, and of course you will need to manage your account. So I'm just going to click finish setup, and basically it will take me to activate PayPal so you can start connecting your PayPal account within your WooCommerce store. And after connecting your to your PayPal account, you will need just to continue the procedure, and you will have your payments PayPal that has been successfully set up within your WooCommerce store, and the customers will be able to start paying using the PayPal gateway. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.